department, how much, 20th, how much, 30th, how much, like this. But users, they don't like to see what department number. Okay, na? They don't like to see the department number. They like to see the names. Okay, na? They don't like to see the codes. They like to see what names. Okay, then now anywhere, not only here, anywhere. So users, they don't like to see the codes because they don't know what is 10, what is 20, what is 30. Instead of showing 10, 20, 30, show HR, show IT, so sales. Then if you show the department names, they easily understand. So here, some salary calculated from some salary is calculated from EMP table. Department name belongs to department table. Then you have to join these two tables. Join plus group by. Actually group by. But here group by, so you are showing department number. User is asking, boss, don't show department number, show the name. So instead of department number, you have to use what? Department name. There. Now, let's see. So group by and what? Join. What you lent separately. Group by separately, join separately. Sometimes you need to club. You need to club these two. In one query, you have to perform both. Okay, then. So, how to write the query? What the syntax is? Select columns from table 1. What? Join table 2 on what? Join condition. Next one. Group by what's it? Column 1, column 1, column 2, so on. So, if you want, you can also have where condition. You can also have having condition. So what we are doing one by one, we are adding. Okay, then. So this query is doing both group by plus what? Join. So let's take one example. Then. So once again, what is this query is? This is calculating what's it? What is this query is calculating? Department wise total salary. But don't show what? In this output, don't show the department numbers, show the department names. So department names are there in department table. Salaries, some salaries calculated from EMP table. So then join this EMP table with what? Department table. EMP as E. Next. Inner join department as D. Next one. On E dot department number equals to. So D dot department number. Joining these two tables based on the department number. But what do you want to show? What do you want to show? Department wise total salary. But in the output show the department names. So where the department names are there? Department names are there in department table. Then what? D dot what's it? D name. D dot D name. Sum of what? Sum of E dot salary. Sir, D name belongs to department boss, salary belongs to MP. You want data from two tables. You want data from two tables. When you want data from two tables, then join. Okay, na? Okay, one second. So suppose I'm asking detailed data. What I'm asking? What I'm asking? Detailed data. That means employee name, employee salary, suppose department name. Employee name, employee salary, department name. You want detailed data. If you want detailed data, so join is enough. Group by is not required. You want to show every employee name, salary belongs to which department. So it is showing every employee. Smith salary 800. He belongs to research. LN belongs to sales. But what is my requirement? Is my requirement not detailed data? I want summarized data. That means what I want to calculate department wise total. What is the total salary paid to the research? What is the total salary paid to the sales? What is the total expenditure for accounts? I want to calculate the total salary for each department. Then what is required? Group by. You want to add these values now. Department wise, you want to add these values. Then group by. Then what? Group by what's it? Then grouping is based on what? Grouping is based on department name. So then department name. Then what happens? Accounts becomes one group. Research becomes one group. Sales becomes one group. For each group, you should calculate what? For each department, what do you want to calculate? Total salary. For each department, add the salaries. How to add the salaries? Sum of E dot salary as total salary. Let's see. Understood? Then accounts how much, research how much, sales how much. So what we are doing in this, we are using group by plus join. So it is combination of two. Then why join? What is your answer? No, not general definition for this query. Why join? See, this query is given, they will ask why you are performing join. Answer is simple. D name belongs to department. Salary belongs to EMP. Data belongs to two tables. That's why join is required. Why group by? Why group by? What is the answer? Why you are doing group by? Because your user is not asking detailed data. User is asking summary. Department wise total salary. Is not asking employee name, department name. Is asking department wise total salary. So then whenever you want particular field wise, min, max, sum, average, then group by is required. You have to be clear, boss. Why join? Why group by? Okay, na? Then. So this gives what? That. Let's see. So what the question is? Question is what? Display what's it? Department wise total salary. Okay, then. So display department what's it? Names. Don't display the department numbers. In output, display department names. Then so what? You have to write like this. Select what? D dot D name. Sum of E dot salary from EMP as E. Next. Inner join what? Department as D on E dot department number equals to D dot group by department name. That's okay. So this is doing both. Understood that. So if you want what, suppose if you want how it is executed, how this query is what executed. Okay, let's take some sample tables. Then let's take these two tables. Okay, then how this query is executed. Then now let's see. So then let's say this is 10. Okay, no? Then leave it. And now first what is executed first? From. What is executed first? From. First from. That means go to the tables. These are the two tables. It go to the two tables. Apply this condition. Join condition. Okay. Then. So after join condition, then can you tell me the output? This is joined to this one. Yes or no? Department numbers are equal. Join. This is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. 20 research. This is joined to this one. These two rows becomes one row. Next one. This 20, this is what's it? This is joined with 20, what's it? Research. Next one. This is joined with what? Accounts. Then, so 10, what? Accounts. That's all. What is this is? This is after join. After on mean join condition. After join, this is the output. What is the next? Group by. Group by. Grouping. Grouping is based on department name. Accounts becomes one group. So tell me what the rows belongs to this group. 100, A, 4000, 10. Yes. Next one. What? 104E, then 4010. Research becomes one group. 102B, 3020. Next. What? 10, 101, 101, sorry. 101. 10. Next 3. D, 5000. Then 20. Yes or no? Next one. What is the next? Sales. What is this is? 102. 102. Next. C. Then 6000. Then 30. 6000. Then 30. So how many groups are created? 3 groups. And from each group, next what is executed? Select. That's all. Next select. It executes the select. From each group, what it selects? From each group, what it selects? Department wise, accounts. Accounts is one group. Accounts is one group. From this group, it will select the D name, accounts. Then execute the sum salary. Sum salary is calculated. What is the sum salary? 8000. Go to second group, select D name, research, calculate the sum salary. What is 8000? Go to the third group, calculate the sum salary, 6000. That's all. So go to the first group, then. So from next one, join condition. Next one, group by. Next one, select. That's all. Understood? Then. So that's all. You come across like this maximum. Okay, no? Then. So then, next. Suppose my question is what's a display grade wise number of employees? Grade wise number of employees. So here one of the like what join. So what we did, we joined two tables, employee table and salary grade table. Yes. So this employee grade is what? 3. This employee grade is 5. This employee grade is 2. This is grade 3. This is grade 1. So like that, I want to know, okay, na? Grade wise how many? Grade 1 how many employees? Grade 2 how many employees? Grade 3 how many employees? Grade 4 how many employees? Then what? I want to calculate what's it? Grade wise number of employees. Then you tell me what? Grade wise. So these two tables, and then grade wise number of employees. So tell me the query. You have to count number of employees, count MP and count number of employees based on the grades. Then what? Select first. See, after all these examples, first show the column name, next show the count. Grade, S dot grade, then S dot grade, comma, count, E dot MPN. Counting employee numbers means counting number of employees. Counting employee numbers means counting number of employees as count from what? EMP as E. Next, join. Next, sal grade. Yes. Next, on what? You know how to join these two tables. How to get the grade? To get the grade, compare the salary between which low salary and which high salary. E dot salary between S dot low sal, S dot high sal. Next, he's not asking employee names and grades. He's not asking detailed data. He's asking grade wise number of employees. Then group by. Group by S dot grade. S dot grade. So you see this. Okay, then select S dot grade. Grade 1 how many? 2. Grade 2 6. Grade 3 6. Grade 5 1. So it is showing grade wise count. Okay. Then understood. Then now suppose I want to find out number of employees working under each manager. Number of employees working under each manager. How many employees working under Blake? How many working under King? Okay. And then number of employees working under each manager. Okay. So this two. Let's take EMPX, EMPY. Employee manager means self join, yes or no? So then not two tables, but one table. Table is EMP only. X is one alias, Y is one alias. Then tell me how to write this query. Number of employees working under each manager. Then so tell me how to get the employee name, manager name first. That's all. Here, go step by step. Then you'll get. Select what? X dot E name, employee name, manager name, Y dot E name as manager from EMP as E. Next, join EMP what's her X. Let's say X. EMP what's her Y on. What is the condition? To get the manager name, I want manager name. How to get the manager name? Compare this manager number with employee number. Join this row with this row so that you'll get the employee name and manager name. Join this row with this row, then you'll get the employee name and manager name. How to join this row with this row? If manager number is equal to employee number, X dot MGR equals to Y dot EMPN. But this will show employee names and what's the manager names. It will show employee names and manager name. Smith is employee, Ford is manager. But what I want how many employees reporting to Blake, how many reporting to King, how many reporting to Jones. I want number of employees working under each manager. So first I want to show manager name. Y dot E name is what? Manager name. Then comma. So then what do you want to display? Number of employees. Then count of what's that? X dot E name as count. X dot E name means employee name. Count of X dot E means number of employees. X dot E name is employee name. Count of X dot E name means number of employees. So then next one, group by. Group by what? Manager name. Y dot manager name. So what happens? Blake becomes one group. Jones becomes one group. King becomes one group. For each group, it will count how many employees. You see this. How many employees reporting to Blake? 5. Clark 1. Ford 1. Jones 2. King 3. Scott 1. Okay. Then. So, he's not asking detailed data. He's asking summary. So, okay. Then. Understood now? Sir, here for the first example, this example, Okay, inner join plus group by. What this is? This is what's a non-equijoin plus group by. What is this is? Self-join plus group by. So what this is all this is what join plus group by. Okay, there. Now, so if you want, you try this. There is a sales table. In this, what's it? Date ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity, amount. So just for understanding, I'm taking one. Suppose 20, 26, 02, suppose 19. For example, today, product 100, sold to customer 10, quantity 1, amount is 2000. What is the meaning of this data? What is the meaning of this data? Today, so and so product sold to so and so product sold to so and so customer. By selling this product, how much quantity sold? 1. How much received amount received from the customer? 2000. But here, what is their product ID is there. But this product details are stored in another table. The table is products table. Product ID, product name, product price, product category. Okay. Product WhatsApp brand. 100, some name, some price 2000, category electronics, brand something Samsung. Okay. The product details are stored in another table. In products table, product ID is primary key. In sales table, this product ID is foreign key. Okay. So this product is sold to what? Customer 10. But here what is stored? ID. But customer details are stored in another table. What is the table? Customer table. What is this is? Customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer city, customer state, customer country. The customer details are stored in another table, customer table. Okay. So one table stores sales data, which product sold to which customer, how much quantity sold. But the product details are stored in product table. Customer details are stored in customer table. Customer is what's that? 10. Some name, some address, some city. Okay. Address something, some address, city, HYD, state, TG, country, IND. Okay. Then. So these three tables are given to you. From these three tables, what they're asking is display what's it? Display, okay, category wise total amount. Okay, na? Category wise total amount. Okay, na? Then let us take this is Amazon database. Then what is this amount represents? This 2000 is what's it? So and so date, so and so product sold to so and so customer. By selling this product to the customer, this is the amount. But what is asking? Category wise. That means electronics category, what is the total amount? Electronics category, total amount. In this what was number of products sold now belongs to electronics category, number of products sold. Okay, na? I want to calculate the total amount for each category. Calculate the total amount for each category. Electronics, what is the total amount? Furniture, what is the total amount? Clothes, what is the total amount? Like for each category, I want to calculate the total amount. Then total amount is belongs to total amount is calculated from total amount is calculated from sales table. Category belongs to products table. You want data from two tables. Join these two tables. Any common field is there? Yes, product ID. Common field is what? Product. Join these two tables based on the product ID and grouping based on category. Because you want to calculate category wise total amount. Understood? Next. This is one. Next. What is asking is display what's that? What? Country wise total amount. Okay, na? Then this is only see customer 10. This is customer wise amount. Yes or no? But what is asking? Country wise. What is the total amount in India? Sorry, number of products are sold in India, yes or no? Add that amounts. Okay, na? Then India wise total amount, US total amount, Japan total amount, country wise total amount. Then what you have to do? Join sales table and customer table. Any common field is there? Yes. What is the common field? Customer ID. So grouping is based on not customer ID. Grouping is based on country. Country wise grouping. India becomes one group. US becomes one group. For each group, calculate the total amount. Okay. Next. Suppose he's asking display what's the year wise total amount. Then hmm? Year belongs to which table? Sales table. Total amount belongs to which table? Sales table. Join is required or not required? Not required. Year belongs to sales, amount belongs to sales, the data belongs to one table. Join is required or not required? Not required. So make this 2026 one group, 2025 one group, 2024 one group. For each group, calculate the total amount. Understood? Join is required or not required? Not required. That's all. You should not confuse.